Good morning, good morning, good morning. How is everybody doing this morning? Well, I hope you're at your absolute best this morning. Today I'm cooking pinto beans. Y'all know it takes pinto beans some hours to cook. So I'm fixing to get them started. In the pot here, I have my ham and some onions that I've cut up here. And so now I have my beans here. Let me get y'all over. Okay. Now I have my beans here that I have been soaking. Boy, and that's a lot of beans. This is 1.5 pounds. So that good old ham down in there. Oh, it's gonna be good, y'all. So now I've had these soaking for about an hour. So now I'm fixing to put them on down in there. And so I'm just going to let these cook. I'm going to make some barbecue chicken with them and cornbread. And I might buy some okra. And that's going to be dinner. So I'll be back with y'all in just a little while. But I want y'all to give this video a thumbs up. Leave me a comment. Sharing is caring, guys. So y'all share the love. And then that way, if you like, comment, and share the love, then you'll get notifications when I upload some new videos. So y'all go on and do that. And I'll see you back here in a little bit. Okay, guys. The beans are not quite done yet, but I want you to see them. How they're beginning to thicken up. They've been cooking about an hour and 45 minutes. And I'm going to let them continue to cook. Y'all see that? Now, I have seasoned them. As you know, I started out with the onion. I put in with my meat. I started with the onion. Now, I've added to the pot a little onion powder, a little garlic powder, and a little Cajun seasoning. And so that's it. Now, I'm just fixing to turn them down now. And just let them simmer away. Now, we're fixing to get this chicken in the oven for my barbecue chicken. Let me turn y'all around. Bring it up a little closer. Now, I have 3 juicy thighs here that I'm going to pat dry. Let me pour some of this water out the pan. And I'm going to pat dry completely. Okay. That's good. Now what I'm going to do is give them a generous massage. And I see that with this olive oil. Okay. Massaging. Bring them back. Just like that. And now what I'm going to do is season them. And this is just a seasoning blend of salt and, not salt, pepper, accent, garlic powder, onion powder, or smoked paprika. Okay. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to go up under the skin and spread some butter. Y'all see me up under the skin? Spreading some butter. Take my finger first and poke it up under the skin. Then I stick the butter up under there. Then I rub some on top. Which I should have rubbed the butter on top first, but it'll still gonna be delicious, y'all. Just like that, okay. I think I put a little bit more. That's why I don't like to use. Yeah. Okay, guys. Now I'm fixing to put this in a 350-degree oven. I'm going to save for about an hour, but I will let you know exactly how long it's in there. Okay, guys, I wanted you all to have a look at the beans. They are done. Smelling amazing, y'all. Looking amazing. And I am absolutely certain they're going to taste amazing. See how thick that is? Okay. Chicken in the oven, smelling good. And guess what? I'm going to let these continue just to simmer. I have my stove on simmer, so I got my chicken going. Let's get this cornbread going. Yep. Okay. Now I have a skillet back here getting hot, and it has some shortening in it and some butter. I guess if I had to guess, I'd say about a fourth a cup of shortening, about 3 tablespoons of butter, because I'm just making a little skillet. All right, let's get started. So, this is 1 cup of self-rising cornmeal. And this is a 1/2 cup self-rising flour. To that, I'm going to add, I guess this is a 1/4 a cup sugar measure. I mean, a 1/4 a cup measure. But I'm not going to put the whole full 1/4 of a cup in there, and which you can leave it out all together if you don't like sweet cornbread. Okay, I knew I was forgetting something. Let me get my egg. Okay, guys, the cornbread is hot out of the oven, and this is what I do to mine. Now, you don't have to do this, but I always like to take a little butter and rub it across the top. That's just some mama did, and so I just have always done, guys. But certainly you have butter in the cornbread, and you don't have to rub any on it. But trust me when I tell you, it gives it an extra punch. You know, butter makes anything better. So yeah, that's what I do. And let me get it up for y'all to see it. See that? Okay, now I got my chicken smelling fantastic. And I got my sauce over here cooking. It's just ready. I'm going to let the chicken get a little bit browner. Then I'm going to take it out the oven, put the sauce on it, and then I'll return it to the oven and let the sauce just kind of bake on. Yeah, this is going to be one good dinner. All right. Okay, guys, after 1 hour, this is what the chicken is looking like. So now I'm going to add the sauce to it and return it to the oven. And I'm just basting it along like that. And my sauce is not quite thick enough yet, but it's still cooking. So I'll just let this get cooked on good. Can y'all see that? And then I'll put some more on when it gets thicker. But I want it on there good. Okay, but it's smelling good and looking good, guys. Okay. That's it. That's it. And so I'm going to return this to the oven and I'll be back. Okay, here is the chicken, guys. Smelling amazing. The sauce is baked on. And so this is it. There are the beans back there. There's the cornbread over there. And I'm just using frozen okra and it's frying. So I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Leave me a comment. Give me a thumbs up. And guys, sharing is caring. Share the love. And that way you'll see my videos. Love you guys. And until next time, love, peace, and blessings. Bye-bye.